All right, guys, welcome back. Another episode of Unbox That Wheel. And let me give you guys a quick little history lesson about stance wheels. I've been selling stance wheels longer than the employees at Stance Wheels have been employed by Stance Wheels. I'm the originator of importing stance wheels into Canada. It's been about, I'm gonna say about 15 years, I believe. 14, 15 years I've been selling stance and importing it into Canada. It's all custom tailored fitments. Here it is. Let me pop the center cap in and show you the real luster of this wheel. Hang on tight. This is a fitment for a Trackhawk SRT, a Durango SRT. Basically the big trucks, 50127 pattern with the big Brembo brakes. So this is a two-tone finish. This is a dual brushed titanium gunmetal. So it's got a gunmetal on the inside. It's got a brushed titanium. People call it DDT, which is double dark tint. People call it brushed titanium. People call it brushed gunmetal. Every manufacturer has a different terminology of what this type of finish is, but doesn't matter what they call it, it's beautiful regardless. So these are 20 by 10 and a halves, staggered offsets, 50127 pattern. Let's get into weighing these things and see what these things weigh for the size that they are. All right, guys, so this is a 20 by 10 and a half, 24 pounds, 5.5 ounces. I mean, for a 20 by 10 and a half wheel, you really can't go wrong with that type of weight. It's under 30 pounds. It's flowform forging. It's high performance, great styling, deep concave, nice finishes. I mean, I think it kind of checks off every single box that a wheel enthusiast is looking for when they're purchasing their next set of wheels. So guys, this is the SF07 by Stance. You need them, we got them. Custom tailored, any wheel, any size, any vehicle, we got you, baby.